You ever wonder what your daily driver is really capable of? It's not about how clean your rig is, it's about how far you're willing to push it. These rigs aren't built to sit still. They're built to be used, to be pushed, and to be tested. Every scratch tells a story, and every mile pushes it further. My name is Cole.
And I'm Mel.
We welcome you to Daily Driven Wheelers. All right, the day has finally come. We're going to be installing my front locker today. So we got Spartan locker. All right, so we got her all jacked up. We'll start taking the tires off and start digging into the process. Got the carrier out. Let's bring her into the shop and start taking the spider gears out.
Are you done?
Done. Locker is installed.
Put her to the test tomorrow?
Doing the test tomorrow. All right, so it's the second day after getting my front locker installed. So far, driving in two-wheel drive is perfectly normal. I don't really feel a thing, don't hear any clicking. Only on sharp turns, like in parking lots and stuff, you do hear a little bit of chatter, but that's kind of normal. So far, we're just gonna air down, hit the trails, and actually test out the locker and see how she does. Today's trail is one that I've always wanted to hit for a while. The trail is built on the side of a ridge, so there's definitely some sketchy spots where one wrong tire placement can be a big problem. There are some certain lines that I want to come back and try, but today is just a test run to make sure I actually put the rig back together proper and to make sure the front locker does what it's supposed to. This first obstacle we're coming up on definitely made the ZJ 3-wheel pretty good. Good thing it felt super controlled inside the cab.
You're gonna drop. Yep. That way more, Trent.
Your passenger front's gonna drop and same with your back.
Perfect.
Your front, you're gonna not just drop right now, so you're gonna have to kind of commit. Go. Roll through. Okay. Okay, settle it out. That way a little bit. Yeah, you're good.
These aren't any crazy built rigs by any means, but it shows that you don't need the most craziest built rig to get out there to have a good time. You just can't be scared to get a couple dents and maybe pick up a wrench every once in a while. Yeah, when I parked, I didn't even realize how close I was to this. It's almost a window breaker.
You high?
Well, that's not good. I'm sitting on the transfer case right now. Can't really go back, so he's gonna have to yank me forward. It's gonna feel aggressive. Well, I got no tow point, so we're going around the axle, I guess.
Okay.
Well, that didn't feel or sound very good getting dragged out of that one, but we still got the T-case and the exhaust, so I'll take that as a win.
Oh.
It's gotten worse.
You're like right on it.
Great day out with the boys once again. Wasn't too crazy of a trail, but the Jeep came back in one piece, so I must have done something right. Got some things planned for next couple videos. We also have a 4x4ing event near the end of the month, so lots more wheeling fun coming. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the trails. Later, guys.
That's how we film now.
And that is how we get the shots.